Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Counter-Strike 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can modify your crosshair settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Counter-Strike 2 game on your device. And once you are inside the main menu, just tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will then take you into the settings page. Now by default, you will be within the video tab. Just tap on game at this section. And now you will see various different options as well. From the top menus, click on Crosshair. And now this will open up the crosshair page. You can choose your crosshair style from Legacy, Classic and Classic Static. Now you may modify and set up the center dot or follow the recoil option. And you can manually set the length, the thickness, as well as the gap between the lines of your crosshair. You can also choose to have an outline, and underneath this you can now modify the color. Just use the RGB options in order to change the values of red, green and blue within your crosshair. The alpha option will either increase or decrease the opacity. You also have the option to enable a T-style crosshair within the T-style option. Now, once you have made all of your desired changes, you can simply go back to the main menu and your changes will be automatically saved. And now, you can start playing your game with your chosen crosshair settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to modify or customize your crosshair within the Counter-Strike 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.